Hello, everybody. Good morning. How are you today? I am here right on time, 12:30. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. It's a beautiful day here in the Netherlands, and it's sunny. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I'm so happy when the weather is warm and to see the flowers and the grass, to hear the birds. It's just a lovely season. That's spring. Yes, and that's also our topic, spring. Spring theme for kids, but in Chinese. We learn Chinese around spring theme. That's the topic for today. So before we start, I want to just briefly introduce myself. My name is Sophia Xiong. I am the founder of ChineseForKids.net, which is a website dedicating to help parents, teachers, and students to learn Chinese, to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yes. So if you have a chance, just go to ChineseForKids.net and you can have a look there. Okay, so today we are going to talk about spring theme. Well, when we talk about spring theme, what are you interested in? Spring. Okay, we need to know how to say spring in Chinese, right? How to the common objects in spring. They are quite interesting too. What people can do in spring, right? And some fun activities for the kids to do in spring. They are all around spring. Okay, let's start. Let's start with how to say spring in Chinese. Okay, so spring is called 春天 in Chinese. 春, you can see how to pronounce it. 春, the first tone, and it means spring. 天, in Chinese, it means a day or sky. 天, sky, 蓝天白云. It's also day. 一天两天, right? So altogether, 春天, it means the days of the spring, which also means springtime. 春天. So I show you this picture. This is actually a cover of an ebook, which is available on ChineseForKids.net. We are going to go through this ebook and just to mention all the key elements of spring thing. So what do you see in this picture? Do you see 花? What does it mean? Yes, flowers. 花. Do you see 草? What does that mean? Grass. You are right. 草. 蝴蝶. Do you see them? Do you spot 蝴蝶 in the picture? Yes, 蝴蝶 are butterflies. So you saw them, right? 春天 is the spring. That's the title of this page. So you see 花, 草, 蝴蝶, and 春天. Okay. Now in the garden, if we go out in the garden, it's really beautiful. To go into the garden, we can see some nice small objects, some small insects, right? Here are 4 of them. I want you to look at picture and look at the Chinese words. So one side is a picture, on the other side is character. Let's see if you can link them together. I am going to speak only the Chinese. So once the link is made in your head, you will check if your link is correct. So, 蜜蜂. Try to find the link. There you go. 蜜蜂. Do you see it? Good. Second. 毛毛虫. Oh, the link is already there. 毛毛虫. 蝴蝶. You found it? Good. 瓢虫. Did you get all of them right? Wonderful. Now, next. Again, I will read Chinese and you will try to work out matching the word, the Chinese word, and the picture. Okay, and check with me after I show you the link. 蜻蜓. You got it? Wonderful. 小鸟. 小鸟. 小鸭. Yeah, good. 小鸡. That's right. Really good. So we've done those little animals and insects. Let's move on. There are more. 青蛙. 青蛙. Do you know what it is? Yes. 青蛙. 小草. 小草. You got it? Nice. 小花. 小花. 花园. 花园. Yeah, that's the garden. 花园. Okay, the title says 在花园里, in the garden. Okay, so look, we talk about butterflies a lot. And here is a lovely picture. And the title is Colorful Butterflies. There are many butterflies. Let's go through them one by one. So we will start on the top. 蓝蝴蝶. What does it mean? Blue butterfly, right? 绿蝴蝶. Green butterfly. 紫蝴蝶. Purple butterfly. 黄蝴蝶. Yellow butterfly. 粉红蝴蝶. Pink butterfly. 白蝴蝶. White butterfly. 橙蝴蝶. Orange butterfly. Okay, do you know all the colors now? I will only see the colors. 蓝, 绿, 紫, 黄, 粉红, 白, 橙. Good. Let's see. It's your turn. What you need to do is to match the butterflies to the Chinese labels. Okay, you start with the first one. How to say it? I will show you the link. Have you done? You got it? 蓝蝴蝶. The second one. 粉红蝴蝶. The third one. 紫蝴蝶. The fourth one. 黄蝴蝶. The next one. 白蝴蝶. Okay, move on. 橙蝴蝶. The last one. 绿蝴蝶. You got them all right? Great. Okay, now let's have a look at a quite famous Chinese tongue twister for children. It is also about butterflies. So the title is Butterflies Fly. 蝴蝶飞. So you know this word 飞? It looks like something it's flying with two wings, right? 飞, it also means fly, of course. 蝴蝶飞. I am going to read it, and you can read after me. Okay, it's a bit challenging if you don't get your tongues right. So I will start very slowly, and then I will read it again. 黑蝴蝶飞，灰蝴蝶飞，黑蝴蝶飞完，灰蝴蝶飞。See, you need to pay attention to 黑、灰 and 飞. They are quite similar. Okay, I will read it again, this time a bit faster. All right. 黑蝴蝶飞，灰蝴蝶飞，黑蝴蝶飞完，灰蝴蝶飞。You want to give it a try? 黑蝴蝶飞，灰蝴蝶飞，黑蝴蝶飞完，灰蝴蝶飞。Try it. Did you have fun? Great. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a reading book. This is book. It's also in the pack. So if you get it, you can print it out, of course, and then you can have a hard copy in your hands. Right now, I just want to go through it. It's a very simple book, but it's a nice one for younger children. Okay, so let's start. This is 在春天 means in springtime. That's the cover. 在春天，草绿了；在春天，花开了；在春天，蝴蝶在空中飞；在春天，小鸟唱歌；在春天，小鸡和小鸭出来玩耍；在春天，天气变暖和；在春天，有时候会下雨；在春天，小孩子放风筝；在春天，小朋友种花；在春天，小朋友骑自行车；在春天，你喜欢做什么？ Okay. So in this book, I want to go back a little bit. So we talk what happens in spring. Well, there are many things, right? First, the grass turn green, 草绿了. And then the flowers blossom, 花开了. The butterflies fly in the air, 蝴蝶在空中飞. The bird chirps, 小鸟唱歌. The chick and the duckling come out and play. 小鸡和小鸭出来玩耍. How is the weather like in spring? 天气变暖和. The weather gets warm. It's warmer. 有时候会下雨. Sometimes it rains. What do children do outdoor in spring? They will 放风筝, which means fly a kite. 放风筝. 种花, plant flowers, gardening, right? 骑自行车, ride a bike. That's what children do in springtime. So, what do you do? What do you like to do? 你喜欢做什么? Think about it. You can leave a comment in the post or just send it to me by email. Okay. Now, so everything we talked about and before, they are in this Chinese theme learning pack, the spring theme Chinese learning pack for kids. That's the cover. It has the flashcards, some coloring pages, worksheets, workbook, and also the colors, tongue twister, and a little book you can print out and you just fold and you can have a little book. So that's the whole pack. It has many things. So where to get it? It's at ChineseForKids.net/spring pack. So this is an ebook. It's not free, but it's in our shop. So it's the name is written down here. You can find it there. It's quite useful for the spring season for Chinese learning. And you can see some of the stuff we didn't include in our slides. For example, like 春天, how to write 春天, some coloring pages with Chinese letters. The children can trace the Chinese letters, and some more worksheets. So you can have a look. If you have any questions, if you have any questions, just leave a comment on our Facebook page. Now you know where it is. It's a Chinese for Kids Net Facebook page. You can PM to me on Facebook. Or if you have a Facebook page or Facebook account, you can just type in m.me/Chinese for Kids Net, and you can send me a PM, a personal message. Of course, you can send me an email to info@ChineseForKids.net too. Okay, the post, which covers basically the content for around spring theme, is at ChineseForKids.net/spring. So you can read the post. It's quite good. It covers pretty much everything we just talked about. And you can get this freebie. That's a coloring page. You can so to let your children have some fun in the afternoon for 10 minutes fun time. So they can color the flowers, grasses, butterflies, and also color spring, the Chinese characters and spring. So that can be some fun for the kids to do in one afternoon, in one beautiful spring afternoon. Yeah, have fun. And this freebie is also available at ChineseForKids.net/spring. Yeah, you just go there and then you can claim it. Again, thank you very much for joining me for this lesson. More Chinese for Kids teaching and learning materials, you can visit ChineseForKids.net. I thank you very much for being here with me. And as always, if you have any question, if you have any feedback, just let me know. I will be very happy to hear that. And anytime you send me any emails or questions, I will reply to you by myself. All right. Thank you again. And I will see you next Tuesday. 下周二见。再见。